Lost your Bread Savings login details and can't check your balance? Ever felt that moment of panic when your banking app tells you your password is incorrect, and you've tried every variation you can think of? It happens to the best of us. Whether it's been a while since you logged in, or you're just juggling too many passwords, getting locked out of your high-yield savings account is a frustrating obstacle you need to clear quickly. You want access to your money, and you need it now. Well, don't worry. Recovering your login or resetting your password for your Bread Savings account is a straightforward process, and we're going to walk you through the steps right now. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the official Bread Savings website or open the Bread Savings mobile app. Look for the login area. If you can't remember your username or your password, you're going to use the same starting point. Underneath the main login button, you should see an option like Forgot Username or Forgot Password. Click or tap on the one that applies to your situation. Let's start with a forgotten username. Clicking Forgot Username will typically prompt you to enter information to verify your identity. This is standard security practice. Be prepared to provide the email address associated with your account. Once verified, the system should display your username or send it to your email. Now, for a forgotten password. When you click Forgot Password, the system will ask for your username and often your email address. It will then give you an option to receive a one-time code or a password reset link. This is usually sent via the email address or phone number you have on file. Crucially, follow the steps in the verification message immediately. The security link or code often has an expiration time, so don't delay. If you receive a link, click it. If you receive a code, enter it on the Bread Savings page. You will then be prompted to create a new password. Make sure this new password meets all the strong security requirements. That means a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And please, pick one you haven't used anywhere else. After setting your new password, you should be able to log into your Bread Savings account right away. Give it a try to confirm everything is working. Now, here's a pro tip. If, for some reason, the online recovery process doesn't work, perhaps because your contact information has changed, don't hesitate to contact Bread Savings customer care directly. They have dedicated support to help verify your identity and restore access to your account. Following these steps will get you back into your Bread Savings account quickly and securely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.